Hey guys, so we are on our way to go see Amanda at work. It's 4:32, it's Sunday. She's going to be off work at about 5:30. Right now she's driving Monorail Coral. So we're on our way to the TTC to go see her and, grab a couple of pictures and whatnot. And then afterwards, I think we might be going to Magic Kingdom. If so, we'll take you guys with us tonight because it's going to be a fun night. Magic Kingdom's open until 11. It might rain tonight, I'm not sure. There's clouds in the sky, it's really dark. We just haven't been to Magic Kingdom in a while, and we haven't really done it late at night either. So I think we're going to do that tonight, and if we do, we'll see you there. Well, I'll see you there at the TTC, then Magic Kingdom. Her monorail's coming.
Monorail Swirl. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and please do not lean against the doors. Thank you.
Dark.
What?
I said it's dark.
Oh, I know.
Amanda's now here. As you guys saw, I saw her on Monorail Coral, and then she got off work basically after that. We got some good pictures, and now we're headed to Magic Kingdom. So we'll see you guys at Magic Kingdom. So we stop for a brief second for corn dog nuggets and fries before we go get Starbucks outdoors. Tonight we're going to try a lot of different snacks and drinks. Maybe not a lot. But we're just going to kind of get
stuff that we never had.
Yeah. Like later we're going to get a Dole Whip, which we had before. We're also going to get an orange swirl or orange something.
Citrus swirl.
Citrus swirl. Wow. That was bad.
Citrus.
And maybe get some other snacks or something. We started off with Starbucks. So we're also going to go in the Emporium and look around before we go do some rides, just to kind of enjoy this. We just got finished walking around some of the stores, looking around, seeing what there is, and we got Maui a little birthday present because today is his first birthday.
He's one today, little baby.
Yeah, so we got him a new collar. We got him a red Disney collar. We'll try to show you later or in a weekly vlog, one of those. We have Fast Pass for Space Mountain now, so we're on our way to Splash Mountain. So we're about to go through to... Oh, what did I say?
You
Splash?
said we have Fast Passes for Space and we're on our way to Splash.
Oh, oops.
We're on our way to Space.
So we'll see you there-ish.
The new wall.
Yeah, the new wall. So in Tomorrowland, they've been redoing the paint schemes. So over here near Monsters, this is the new paint scheme. And then they also are reworking the Carousel Progress, which we'll go to in just a minute. We'll show you over there. So now that I think of it, I'm not sure if the color scheme is new or not, because on the back side there's like solid walls, which are new, and I don't know if those are temporary or not. But there's new color scheme coming to Carousel Progress, whatever it may be. Now we're about to go on Space. I love this music. What about you?
Yeah, I love it.
This music that's already gone now, but it's just so classic.
It reminds me of our road trips to Disney because we would always listen to it. Then it would make us real tired, so we'd listen to like 3 minutes, and then we're like, let's skip it.
Alright, let's pick a number. What number?
27.
As we're walking backwards. I don't know why we're doing this backwards. You said 27?
Yeah.
I want to go with 25. What do you guys think? Pick a number for Space Mountain. I said 25, Amanda said 27. We got number 18. Darn. And are you ready for space? Amanda and I tried to plan a really good picture and I messed it up, and I'm interested to see how it came out. Yeah,
Please do not sit
it didn't turn out well.
handrail.
I'm in mid reach. That was fun though.
Yeah.
It was really fast. I feel like I haven't done it in a while, but it's not been that.
We do it every time we go to Magic Kingdom.
It was pretty wild.
It's so good. Just came out of Space Mountain, and it looks like it just got done raining. The ground is wet. There's little droplets of water falling out of the sky here and there. And maybe we missed the big part because the ground is pretty soaked. Just got out of Monsters Inc. laugh floor, and it's one of our personal all-time faves.
I love it. I hope it never goes away.
Yeah, it's phenomenal, and I don't know why it doesn't get enough credit.
Yeah.
I think it's just an easy bypass attraction, but honestly, every single time it's different. I mean, there's some of the same punchlines.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes we're not laughing the whole time, but there's always something new.
Yeah.
Because they always pick different people, and you never know what's going to happen.
What the people's reactions are going to be. So if you're ever at Magic Kingdom and you haven't done it before, or you don't do it often, it's a great thing to go see
Every
for.
show is different. Even if
Yeah.
they use the same like plots or whatever, everything is different because they pick different people, and they're like live comedians too, so it's really great.
And we got,
it's raining.
It is raining. We got two. We got a good one. We got a really good show this time. We won't spoil it, and obviously we can't record. So just go see it.
Yeah.
Go see it. We decided to go on Winnie Pooh now. We had fast passes for later, but it's only a 15-minute wait. Mostly because Happily Ever After. Not there.
Oh dear.
Oh, he said, oh dear? What color? Color honey pot.
Purple.
Say blue.
Honey pot to ourselves.
Oh, do we? Oh, cool. And Amanda won. She chose purple.
But
And
I kind of feel bad because I didn't say which purple, because there's like a purple and a lavender.
yeah, but like, I knew what you meant.
You'll never reach that point.
Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo!
You every day.
Yeah.
Come out with me.
Yeah.
Does that bouncing make you feel great?
Fantastic.
What are we doing? Oh.
Swirls.
You're ready for it. So yeah, that's right, it's a small world. I was just telling Amanda, I like the smell in here. It's like a mixture of Disney food and Disney rides.
Disney water.
And Disney water, and it's a good mix. Well, Fergie's. Look, there's you playing the drums. I never knew I could change my name to Son. This is a cool scene. This is your favorite scene, right?
Yeah. I like the platypus.
Couple of times here with all the traveling.
There's me surfing up there.
Whatever house. The neighborhood, I'll build it.
Hey, look at you, the dingus. I mean, dingo.
Yeah, yeah.
So we decided to run over to Pan right across the street because it's literally a walk-on right now.
I've never seen it like that.
No, it's during fireworks, of course, but even still, we've seen it pretty busy before. We literally just walked on Pan.
I've never done that before.
I've never done it ever. Even during extra magic hours back a long time ago. It's never been like that. That's crazy. Literally walked on. It was great. We're now headed to Frontierland. We have fast passes for Big Thunder. So we're going to do that and then hopefully get some drinks or some snacks, something over there, and then maybe do Pirates, some other things over there. So we'll see you on Big Thunder. Pit stop at Haunted Mansion first.
Alien.
Just got off Haunted Mansion. We didn't film much. We didn't film at all because camera doesn't do well in low lighting. I feel like every time we record in Haunted Mansion, nothing comes out good at all. So I just saved you the wasted black nothingness. But we're on our way to Big Thunder now, so we'll actually see you over there this time. Pick a number.
2.
I'm gonna say 1. It was 6. We lost. You ready? All right, I'm about to fall on you. Here we go. We got the orange swirl cup, right? They had like many different things. We were gonna get the float, but they didn't have the float.
No, we weren't gonna get the float. We were gonna get the
orange citrus swirl
swirl
cup, and instead this is the orange cream cup. It's like many different things. So we're gonna try this. Go ahead, try it first. Good? Mmm, that's really good.
I think I still like the Dole Whip.
I think I might like this one. I don't know, they're kind of even. It's really good. So it's over here. As soon as you enter,
Sunshine Tree Terrace.
Yeah, Sunshine.
I got it.
Thanks.
Sunshine Tree Terrace.
So give it a try. It's really good. All right, guys. That concludes our wonderful night at Magic Kingdom. We did a lot, as you guys saw.
Tired.
Yeah, we thought about doing Splash and Pirates and some other things, but we just kind of got tired and worn out. We're like, let's go home.
Yeah.
Relax. Go see Maui.
We have a busy few days off coming up. Lots of cool stuff.
Yeah. 6-year anniversary coming up.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had a good night. And the orange swirl, orange cup, whatever it's called.
It was.
It was really, really good. I really enjoyed it. I ate all of it, except for like 4 bites I gave Amanda because I wouldn't give her any more because it was so good.
I still like the pineapple soft serve better, but the orange one was really good.
Yeah. The cast members told us it kind of tastes like an orange cream, like popsicle. Creamsicle, and that's basically what it is.
It was really good.
So good. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next vlog.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like and comment.
And also, if you want to check out any of our other awesome videos, like our previous one, make sure you click right here. And then also make sure you subscribe to us so you can see some of our future content. Thanks, guys.